In our today's menu, we have a very delicious and very easy snack recipe. It is the egg and chicken Franky. So let's start. In a mixing bowl, take 300 grams of boneless chicken. Add half teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander seed powder, quarter teaspoon cumin seed powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon chaat masala powder, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything nicely. Cover it and let it rest for half an hour. Heat oil. Add 1 medium size finely sliced onion. Saute it till the color changes. Onions are done. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Saute it till the color of the chicken is changed. Now add a little water and cover the lid and let it cook till our chicken is soft and tender. Our chicken is done. Now add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, mix it and set it aside. Now we are going to prepare parathas for our Franky. We will cook our parathas from both the sides till light spots appear at the top of our paratha. Our paratha is done. Set it aside. Now in the same pan, add a little oil. We will beat 2 eggs and add in salt to taste and some fresh black pepper. Pour the egg over the tawa. Then let it cook from one side. Our egg is cooked from one side. Now place the prepared paratha over the egg. Press it gently. Add a little oil over the paratha. Flip it and cook it from the other side by gently pressing over it. Now place the prepared chicken over the egg. Wrap it tightly to make a roll out of it. Our egg and chicken Franky is ready. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.